Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Now, what is happening with Bitcoin? I know that I don't really talk about Bitcoin, I don't really talk about other altcoins either, but tomorrow there's going to be a new video on this channel where I talk about my top 5 altcoins for the 2022. Yeah, so don't miss it. All the coins I'm going to talk about in my next videos will be the coins that I will buy, in front of everybody. So 2022, guys, we're going to be really bullish. We're going to make a lot of money. So, just subscribe, because I'm going to show you everything I'm doing, when I do it, how I make money, and hopefully not, but how I lose and why I lose, because I'm experienced. I'm not gonna lie, but it's normal to lose sometimes, but we're not going to lose, not next year. Now, let's begin. Bitcoin. When we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about the general market. Why is that? It's because the Bitcoin dominance is actually 40%. 40% of Bitcoin dominance means that basically half of the money of the cryptocurrency market are in Bitcoin, which is great. It's easier for us. It makes our life much easier because we can understand a lot of things using the Bitcoin dominance. But now, Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? How is Bitcoin today? Today didn't happen much with Bitcoin, basically just been there because today is Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday, not much happens, Maybe, just a few movements. Let me see the altcoins. What are the altcoins doing? Nothing. See, 6% on Uniswap. Well done. Matic, 3%. What is Solana doing? Let me see. Kusama, 1.2%. Cake. Solana. Okay, Solana 5%. Wow, great. But what is going to happen now? As you can see, let me delete this line. I don't know why I got these lines on my chart. I don't need this, guys. Sorry. Here we go. Looks much better now. Bitcoin is making, I'm using the 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin is making lower lows and lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. So Bitcoin is not looking great, guys. I think everyone agrees with that. Let me make this line a little bit, maybe this color. Why is that? Because I want to show you really quick what is happening, if you don't mind. Oh, my bad. Let's change the color. Here we go. This line is not really accurate. In fact, it's not accurate at all. I'm gonna improve the quality a little bit. Something like that. Yes, it doesn't need to be quality, and it just need to do its job. Now with this line we can actually see the channel. We can see where the end of the current pattern is. So if I'm hiding this line, you can see the pattern. I lost the line. I lost the line. Nice. We're not going to see that line ever again. No, I'm joking. But with the line, we can actually see the channel. So it's actually a good thing because we know that soon the current pattern is going to end. So the current pattern is going to end because this is the apex and we're really close to the end of the pattern, which is a continuation pattern, as I said. So this pattern is a continuation pattern, which means that most likely Bitcoin is going down. And this line is telling us that currently we're in a downtrend. So the trend, the channel is going down. The pattern is a continuation pattern. And even if I'm not using indicators, tools, or whatever in my daily trading life, I like to use them sometimes. Why is that? That's because sometimes I think they're useful to show people whatever is happening in the market. Now if I'm going in the daily time frame, we can actually see something better, which is the RSI. Using this indicator, we can see that Bitcoin is currently sitting in a overbought situation. So basically Bitcoin is overbought even when it's standing at basically 46,000, yeah, which you may think is good because it means that people are buying Bitcoin, but not really, yeah, because look, at this price Bitcoin was overbought, yeah, which makes sense because it's actually a lower price. Overbought, yeah, and every time something is overbought, it needs to go down. This is something that's, you know, accurate, I would say. Look, overbought for a while, then it went down, oversold, and so on. But this is in the 1 hour time frame, but in the daily time frame we can actually see that every time Bitcoin is overbought, it goes down, yeah. Look, overbought down. Now here was a little bit different, overbought then down. So every time we have a overbought situation, which could be actually this one, yeah, here it was overbought, it went down by 16%. Here it was overbought, it went down by, well, 25%, but let's say 16%. Again, here was slightly overbought and it went down by 20 or 16% if you prefer. So let's say soon it's going to be overbought in the daily time frame, and we're going down by 16%, which is here. And this makes me happy because it's where we are wishing to go, yeah. The 39-40k, it's the main support area. Why is that? Let me zoom out. As you can see, 40,000, 39k, yeah, let's say anywhere below or above 40,000, yeah. So in this area that I will show you now, so look how big this support is. So anywhere in this area, this is of course a little bit too big, but I'm gonna adjust it for you now. So let's say anywhere in this area we have support, yeah. And if Bitcoin repeats what it did in the past, which is after an overbought situation in the daily time frame, it will go down by 16% ish, yeah, but because sometimes went down by 16%, sometimes by 14%. So from this stage, 15%, 16%, it's right where my line is, yeah. So this line here is my support level, is where I'm wishing to see Bitcoin soon, and I'm 100% sure that we're not going below that. So we know that Bitcoin, most likely next week, which is, you know, basically let's say tomorrow or 2 days from today, Bitcoin will go back to, will start going back to 40k, 39, 40k, which is great, guys, because if Bitcoin goes down by 16%, all the altcoins are going to die, yeah. Let me show you really quick Solana, for instance, yeah. Solana is sitting basically in the same situation like as Bitcoin, which is not great. Why is that? Is because it's going up, but look, overbought, yeah. This is overbought, and it's overbought heavily in the 1 hour time frame and in the daily time frame as well. The last time Solana was overbought was up here, and then we went out. It went down a lot. Look, it went down by 36%. What does that mean? It means one thing, that if Bitcoin goes down by 16, 15%, Solana will double it, yeah, or even a little bit more. So now, if let's say Solana from this level, or you know, let's say 190, because it's easier, will go down by 36% ish, yeah, it will go back on support level, which is 113, yeah. 113 for Solana is support level. Then if we are not bearish enough for Solana, we are going back to 137. Now, I know that between 113 and 137 there is a lot of difference, but to be honest, this is how Bitcoin affects the altcoins, yeah? So let's go back to Bitcoin because we're not here to talk about Solana. I do apologize. But it's just to let you know and understand how the current market is working, yeah? If we are looking at Bitcoin, we can actually understand whatever is happening in the future. And looking at the altcoins, we can actually understand if what we think about Bitcoin is right or wrong. Yeah, and now looking at Solana, seeing that Solana is overbought at the moment, and Bitcoin is heading in the same direction, it means that the market is ready on Monday to go down. So what I would suggest you is that between today and tomorrow, you are getting ready to sell, to place your stop loss. Maybe not sell, you know, even place your stop loss, yeah? Because to be honest, I always prefer to lose, like, let's say 5-8%, more than I prefer to lose or wait or stand out of the market for a while when the market goes down by 30% or 16%, depends what you invest in. So, guys, whatever makes lower lows and lower highs is bearish. We can see the continuation pattern, we can see the channels, we can see the indicator that I don't like, but we have to use sometimes, that is saying that Bitcoin is heading to be overbought. So now we have basically 4 or 5 things that are telling us that Bitcoin needs to go down, yeah? And it will go down soon, guys, trust me. I'm expecting the market to be bullish next month, which is in 2 weeks, as I said. Now, if we're bullish in 2 weeks, it means that we need to reach super level. We need to stay there for 1 week, maybe even a little bit more, 2 weeks, and then go up. Yeah. So that's why, I'm not gonna lie, I'm almost all in cash. Yeah. At the moment, I'm not buying anything. Why is that? Because I can easily trade things. Yeah, I can easily make some 5-6%, but I'm waiting because I want to buy the dip, guys, and the dip is really close. The dip for Bitcoin is going to be 39,000-40,000. The bid for the other altcoins are going to be that soon. So if you want to see the dips for the altcoins that I'm going to buy, I'm gonna show them to you tomorrow. So just subscribe, guys. But I don't need to tell you anything else, yeah? Everything is clear. So now, let me tell you something, yeah? As I said, I think for the beginning of the year, or, you know, just for the, I think for the maybe first 3 or 4 months of the new year, we're going to be really bullish, yeah? Now, I don't want to say something that's a bit, how can I say, that's not probable to happen, yeah, but I think from this level, Bitcoin will easily grow to maybe 73,000-ish, 74,000, yeah, which is 83% on Bitcoin. 83% of Bitcoin reflects on the altcoins as well, but the altcoins are decreasing and increasing much more than Bitcoin. So as we said with Solana, when Bitcoin goes down by 16 or 15%, Solana goes down by 36% ish. What does that mean? That means that most likely when Bitcoin will go up by 83%, Solana will go up by 160%. This is not something accurate. This is not something that we can prove. We can just see the market, see what the market is doing, and this will tell whatever is happening around us. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. As you can see, when I'm saying a price, when I'm saying 40,000, when I'm saying 73,000, 74,000, is because I'm watching things with you, I'm predicting them, I'm saying what I'm thinking, and anyone can do the same, yeah? So, if Bitcoin is going back to 40,000, should you buy? Yes, definitely. Because I think right now for the retails, you know, for anybody, it's not fair that Bitcoin drops down to 29k, which is the golden area. Yeah, this area here is where I want Bitcoin to be September. Yeah. Now, I'm not 100% sure when Bitcoin is going back to 29k. It will go back to 29k soon, guys. But that needs to happen, yeah. That needs to happen because Bitcoin will go back to, let's say Bitcoin goes to 74K. Then it goes back to 29K. Yeah, this is 60%. So from 29K, then we're going by the end of the year to reach 100K. But at the moment, there are a few reasons why we cannot go below 40K or 39K if you prefer. That's because there are too many good news for the altcoins. There are no actual reasons for the Bitcoin, for Bitcoin, for the altcoins, and for the general market to go down, because there are only great news. Everyone is using cryptocurrencies, the cryptocurrencies projects, and the altcoins have great news. So we have a lot of support, and that's why we're going down. Yeah, I think the retails and the great investors are waiting. I saw that there is a lot of budget behind a lot of different projects, and there are a lot of money waiting, sitting, not in the market, outside the market, waiting for the right moment to get into. So now, if let's say Bitcoin is going back to 39K, you think these people, that at the moment are waiting outside the market, what they're going to do? They're going to buy, guys. And we know that when they're going to buy, everything is going to blow up. Everything will go up a lot, and in a short period of time. So when I'm saying that we're going to be bullish for 2 or 3 months, it means that we can actually double our money. So let's say if you invest 1,000, you can easily in few months, and this is what I think, it's my own opinion, go up to 2 or even 3,000 if you're good enough. But we don't need to be greedy. We're buying and we're selling. We're buying and we're selling. We're not being stupid. This is the most important thing we can do, is use our own mind to make our own money. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, because trust me, there are going to be some videos on this channel that you cannot even imagine. So, just stay with me, because I hope we're going to make the difference. Have a nice day and a nice weekend, guys.